Namaskar, myself Megha from Karnataka. Now I am going to prepare Beetroot Quinoa Couscous Cutlet, a healthy snack recipe. The ingredients are boiled and grated beetroot, mashed boiled potato, boiled spinach leaves, oats, quinoa, couscous, green chili, coriander, grated ginger, cumin powder, salt to taste, oats and corn flour. Now let's mix all these ingredients into a bowl. Now I have mixed all these ingredients in a bowl and I have made it a roll. Now let's do this a patty. Let's give it a shape like this, and I'm going to take now the corn flour and roll it in the corn flour mixture in order to get a very good binding. Now I'm going to roll this patty on the oats like this. All these ingredients are very rich in vitamins and minerals. This is going to boost our immunity. Now I am going to place this on a plate. Let it set for some time. Let's take one kadai and add oil and place this patty on it. Let's put 1 spoon of oil on it. Let it shallow fry on both the sides. Now I am frying on both the sides. Oats are getting fried. Now it has turned into a golden brown crispy. I am going to transfer it on a parchment paper. Now I am going to serve this beautiful beetroot quinoa couscous cutlet with tomato ketchup. Thank you.